Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to check WAEC results using phone. So before I proceed, I'm sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So now head over to your browser. Sorry, just head over to the description of this video and tap on this link, which I will leave in the description of this video, waecdirect.org, or you can search it on your browser. Then after tapping on it, you'll be brought to this page. So this page, now let me quickly zoom this page so you can see things clearly. So now on this page, now you just need to input your examination number here. Okay, just input your examination number, whatever, input it, then select your examination year. It's supposed to be 2000, depending on the year which you want to check your result for. Okay, we are in 2023, I want to check for 2023. So now select if you are a private candidate or you are a school candidate. Okay, which of the results you are checking for. Let me say I'm a private candidate. Okay, or let me just say I'm a school candidate. So now input your WAEC pin which you bought. I made a video on that, which you find anywhere in this video. I will link it up at the top of your screen, how to check your WAEC pin. So now just input your WAEC pin after purchasing it. Okay, purchasing a scratch card, input the pin, then input your serial number. Then after inputting all these details, tap on submit. So after tapping on submit, your WAEC results will be displayed on your screen. So guys, that's how to check your WAEC results online. So before I conclude this video, just once again, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.